Hi, forgiveness para sa akin, kung ang Diyos ay pinatawad tayo sa lahat ng ating kasalanan, sino ba tayo para hindi tayo pwede magpatawad ng ibang tao?
Right. Amen. About forgiveness, sometimes yung grudge mo na andon dahil hindi ka makapag-forgive sa isang tao. I learned a lot. Like, it's in here. I don't know what to say, but forgiveness. Felt guilty today. Forgiveness is hard. But you know what? The only thing you can do is to give it to the Lord because there is a process. As a human being, it's like that. So give everything to the Lord because it takes time, especially when the offender is like really deeper ang pag-hurt niya sa'yo. So for me, it's like to give it to the Lord and release it. Just forgive him. Okay.